Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. All of the photos that you see in this video were collected during the month of December, and it goes up the first Sunday the following month. So any photos that I get during January will go up the first Sunday in February. The other Sundays of the month are question and answer videos, and if you have gardening questions, you can ask them down below this video. I have questions from the last question and answer as well, and I'll just add any that I get from this that seem unique to next Sunday's question and answer. If you're interested in participating in the Subscriber Sunday video by sending in photos, this is the email address to send them to here. Just make sure you call the email subscriber photos or something like that, so I know what they are, because I get a ton of emails to this email address. And if you would shoot your photos in widescreen, turn your phone sideways if you're using a phone, because YouTube is a widescreen format, and so that's very, very helpful, and your photos show up a lot better in these videos. I got a good amount in December, more than I would have gotten in more than I would have actually thought I would have gotten. So thanks everyone for participating in these videos. Again, next week is question and answer. Here are the photos from December. Thanks for watching.